everyone! In this video, I will guide you through painting the magical beauty of the Aurora Borealis using watercolor. Don't worry, if you are new to painting, this tutorial is designed to be simple and fun for everyone. I will show you step by step how to blend vibrant color and create the dreamy glow of the northern lights. Today I'm trying out a new type of cardboard for this watercolor painting. One thing I've noticed is that it dries quite quickly, so I need to work a little faster than usual and stay mindful of my blending. It's always exciting to experiment with different material and learn how they behave. Let's see how this one performs as we create the Aurora Borealis together. We need to let these colors blend naturally on the paper. Instead of overworking them with the brush, it's best to allow them to flow and mix on their own. I hope you enjoyed today's simple tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like and stay tuned for the next one. I can't wait to see you there.